If you're looking to track and report employee benefits in Deel, this quick guide will walk you through everything you need to know to use the software effectively. Deel makes managing employee benefits seamless, whether you're handling benefits for one employee or a global team. Stick with me until the end, and I'll also share an exclusive offer to use Deel for free with added bonuses. To start, logging into Deel is simple. Once you're in your dashboard, go to the Team tab on the left menu. Here you can see an overview of your team members and their benefits packages. But if you're tracking benefits specifically, you'll want to click on the Benefits tab within each employee's profile. This is where you can add, update, and manage the benefits for every team member. Tracking benefits is straightforward. You can add benefits such as health insurance, paid time off, remote work stipends, and more. Deel allows you to customize these according to your company's policy or the employee's location. For global teams, Deel is especially helpful because it integrates with local tax laws and regulations, ensuring that your employee benefits are compliant across different regions. Once the benefits are set up, Deel automatically tracks them, so you don't have to manually monitor each benefit. But what if you need to report on these benefits? Deel makes this part easy too. Simply go to the Reports section, where you can pull up detailed reports on employee benefits. This is especially useful for HR teams or anyone needing to keep track of benefit usage, expenses, or compliance for accounting purposes. In the Report section, you'll find a variety of filters to customize what data you want to view. You can filter by specific employees, benefit types, or even by time frame. Deel's reporting features are incredibly detailed, so whether you're preparing for tax season or just need to get a snapshot of how your benefits program is being utilized, Deel has you covered. A big advantage of Deel is the automation. With employee benefits being updated automatically, you no longer have to worry about tracking these manually or dealing with errors. This saves your HR team valuable time and reduces the risk of mistakes. Plus, if your employees use any benefits, Deel will also track how much they've utilized, ensuring that everything stays up to date. When it comes to sharing reports or exporting data, Deel provides a simple export option that allows you to generate reports in CSV format, making it easy to share with other departments or for financial auditing. If you're managing multiple employees in different countries, Deel will adjust to local laws and regulations, so you don't have to worry about compliance when setting up and tracking employee benefits. Deel simplifies the process, especially if you have a global workforce, and gives you one central platform to track and report all benefits data. By the end of this video, you should feel confident in how to track and report employee benefits in Deel. And remember, if you want to dive deeper into the software, you can try it out completely free through the exclusive link below, plus get added bonuses to help you get started. This is a huge opportunity, so don't miss out. Click the link and start using Deel today to simplify your employee benefits management.